Open it up. This is from Moto Direct. Oh, what we got? So that's chain lube. That's the Moto chain lube. Put that there. And this is the one I'm really interested in, the chain clean. Because my chain is a mess. So we'll start getting a bit of a clean on, yeah? Good products, so they look smart. Maybe I can spray it over. I'll then rub it in, I wonder. If in doubt, get a toothbrush. Oh wow. Really good. Looks the business. I'm gonna rub it all in. Oh wow, that's really good. Isn't it lovely when you see the gold come through?
You probably get total because they are, and is it literally all of them? Yeah, all of them, because it is known to be obviously an individual sport. You are supposed to be a bit of an individual. There's always want to have a conversation with Muhammad Ali. You're in here saying that I'm being the champion. We're in here conversation. Muhammad Ali doesn't know who he is. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. He's got a very heavy accent.
Comes off good, doesn't it?